In this video, we're going to show you how to create a rate. Select Revenue from the top and select Rate Schedules. You have to create a rate schedule first before you can create a rate. In Rate Schedules, select the plus. Give your rate schedule a name. From this drop-down, you can select the type of rate that it is. If it's a flat fee or flat fee per visit or flat fee per day, you'll just enter the amount in this box here. If it's a variable rate, you can either do by time frame or by hours and minutes. So if it's $5 every hour, you'll select 1 hour, enter in your $5, and then hit this plus sign. The hours will automatically increment. You just need to adjust the rate or the amount until you've reached your max. Once you've reached your max, you also want to place your max amount per 24 hours in this bottom box as well. When you're done, hit the check mark to save. Now you can create your rate. Select Rates, select the plus sign, and again, give your rate the same name you did your schedule. Here you can see there's a bunch of different options that you can add to this rate. Anywhere from allowing it to charge every 24 hours, setting your receipts, whether you want the receipts to print on a $0 amount, opening the cash drawer, whether you want the cash drawer to open for a $0 amount or for a non-cash payment. You can also set valid date ranges for this rate. You can add taxes to add a tax. We show how to create the tax in a separate video, but once the tax is created, it will show in this box. From here, you would select it and hit the arrow over to the Be Applied box. Next, at the top, you'll see a Revenue tab. This is where you would come and set the rate schedule you created, which is why you have to create the rate schedule first. Once you select the schedule, you want to make sure that you select this Copy to All Other Days button. Otherwise, your rate will only be applied on Sunday, which is the default day that comes up when you come onto this tab. So once you click that, you can click on each day and make sure that the rate schedule is correct for that day. There's also a Rate Switch tab. Here is where you can set the rate to switch to a different rate after a certain amount of time. So whether it's on entry or exit, length, stay over, you can select all of these options and set up the rate correctly. Once you've select your rate switch, hit the plus, and the rate switch will be applied. You can also set the rate switch to only happen on certain days. To remove this rate switch, select it and hit the minus sign. When you're done, hit the check mark to save. After you've created the rate, you need to go and allow people access to the rate. So you'll go to Manage and you'll go to Profiles. From here, you can select the profile that you would like to have access to that rate. Select the Rate tab, and here you can see it's unchecked. Once it's checked, any user under this profile will be allowed to select this rate.